Okay, so mathematicians have decided that instead of writing all these words, we can write equations to represent situations to help us find things we don't know. Okay, so here's a situation. Wings at the pizza shop are sold for $4.99 a pound. Diego buys pounds of wings and pays $14.95. So there's something in this equation that they don't tell us. Let's start by underlining what we do know. What information is important that we have? We know that we're buying wings and they're sold for $4.99 a pound. We also know he's going to pay a total of $14.95, so that's important information too. But when we're buying something at the store, we need two different pieces of information. We need how much the thing costs and how many we're going to buy. Okay? So the thing we don't know is how many pounds of wings Diego buys. It just says he buys a certain pound of wings. So that's the thing we don't know. Our unknown is how many pounds. So we'll put our text box over here. How many pounds he buys. Okay, and so now when we go to write our equation, our unknown, that thing we don't know, since we don't have a number to put for it, we're going to put a variable. Okay, so we're going to go to write our equation. When we have the price per pound, we're going to take that price per pound, so we have $4.99 a pound. And the number of things we buy, we multiply those two numbers because for every pound we pay $4.99, $4.99, $4.99, $4.99. However many pounds, that's how many times we do $4.99. So we do the operation of multiplication when we're thinking about this. So $4.99 times P pounds of wings. And when we put them right next to each other like that, that means multiplication. The number in front, we call that coefficient. And then the variable right next to it, that means multiply those two numbers. And we know that when we multiply those two numbers, that will tell us the total amount he paid, which they told us, which is $14.95. So when you go to write these equations for the rest of these contexts, for the rest of these situations, remember to use a variable for anything you don't know. We might not know multiple pieces of information, and in that case, we'll just put in another variable, put in a t, put in a x. We can use any letter as a variable for things that we don't know in our equations.